Tiafo, my name is Wakwaba and Faumbra, GCN page so Muniaba address at me and I'm a digimedi way ebro. Now, masters of subscribe to my channel. Now don't say Emia Bell on the so. We a notification and some echoes will make me be beauty and I still be a share a word GCN page here. Ora Stephen Atubiga, former NDC member, is also in NDC review because NDC former suspension almost embuno. Now, Ora Stephen Atubiga HS almost started say. Omo build the NDC omo breno na amount forces omo your position akese omo omo agency hu ne sabi no omo hemfa na tituru pa omo national chairman oro ofosampofo eni oro Atubiga Canada chairman pa na azie no de oro Atubiga Stephen akwakoye ne say I say oba one anasa obema ne girlfriend ejai eni some obeka fa no nya asem keto akra Stephen Atubiga wa Canada de chairman this for and also NDC party near party bia and penifine woman omo embu mo frane woman one famo nya hwe na adibu a NDC fo omo embu nti ye beka ya about year to na anu ya December 7th about year to NDC fo we no mo we no omo deserve so omo we na NDC fo mo ayo madwen so omo de omo mbuo bia omo strongholds na we Ghana ha no me no omo be loose wo ho no me sa till that can come enya dia omo ebetumi enwini election bill e wo omo strongholds no eya dia ebe drop ya ba femisa because omo ni respect bia edema omo members oh hey we just party no ni position room omo position room fa wonya hwe na Ora Stephen Atubiga HS omo yankofo bi omo abre NDC party mu yi papa nti so obu na ni dibi wo ho a ese nkomo eno mo de omo a NDC fo enya hwe na obo bi ti se eye Ora ese dun ketia na omo national chairman Oro Ofosuampofo eno de na ni asi no papa nya asem keto akra a o chese ebu omo embu ade e wo party mu na party no e drop no na sa suspension jenja na omo de ma wo party no mu yi mpanifo efi no omo enye steady anya sa omo strongholds no enya de ombetumi ewini ewo honom se yeto aba ewo Ghana hanoma na ensem sen ena Ora Stephen Atubiga de etodwa
a suspension letter by no mo say te say me no interview say no we quote say on the 4th on the 8th and on the 14th you didn't add the evidence. You just sent me a letter. I could have punched holes to disgrace them. They don't know what they are doing at that FEC committee. How can you tell me some wrong driving? You could not, whether me a wrong U-turn, me overspeeding out the back home. Nothing of that sort. So Mr. Wait, me do regional committee anymore. Now I'm say what is my crime? Look, I want to commend the disciplinary committee members. They are very matured, very respectful. There is dignity in them. That's lawyer Jurasa, Honorable Jurasa, Asasi Jima, Commander Steve Obimpe. And when you get to them, they let you feel say you are somebody and you've worked for the party. They recognize your efforts. They respect your contribution for the party. They make you want to, as a matter of fact, one year careful crowd, one year Robert say, look, me differ, me no sorry. That is that. So FEC should learn from them. Maturity is not having gray hair. Because kwasi you knew. Lunatics grow and have gray hair. Stupid people grow and have gray hair. Ignorant people grow and have gray hair. And you can see people, look, the most stupid people I can tell with PhD holders. Have you ever seen a PhD holder being a president before on this earth? Show me, mention one. Because they don't think. And any politician that holds certificates plenty, they don't relate to the street. They don't have what it takes. They don't relate to that, and that is NDC's problem. When we are in opposition, they look out for the street people, the foot soldiers, and once they get power, they start talking about certificates. And they have no respect for their people. They don't reward loyalty. People have suffered. That is why, and then Voltarian command to Mayano. Our strong areas will keep losing votes because of the bad leadership of Osuampofo and co that are having. And if you don't want John Dramani Mahama to do with the press, be brave to tell him. And if they are scared, they should come and tell me. I'll tell you, say, John Dramani Mahama, these people will let you lose again, humiliate you like what has happened. They are cowards. The fake people are cowards. May say, oh, we are coward. The fakes are coward because
rapport with them. Oh, baby, be a fine. We no problem. Be a an intention and so na any more.
Okay, yeah, well, a Greek bank. Your microfinance banks, our finance, the match or China 8 Obianshe, match rate is being done. So anytime you close banks down, you shut the economy. So this country is run like a sole proprietorship. because less than 1 million people are on government payroll.
Enya bi ho ochina ye bewura the other side no mo ochina no pa ebo no nwotwe a ewo Angel TV and Angel FM and other platforms no sister stations ni na so ochina no pa no nwotwe
na de eku me kura na esi edu nketia oh don't worry brother that means I mean yes so na man day me so de me nyanko for dem am no say be be an commitment be week akra in this car the call me all right Charlie, let's get to serious business. Some confo we no udi omo echi a de bia obey nipa bone. Now let me move to Sammy Jemfi. Hwe Minia, we are NDC new, we are MPP new. Let me tell you something. So we leader odi wenim. So one can okra lead the whole party astray. Ti the American. So we leader only do so on no kwafo so on fa dignity so on fa no kra enye na dwuma de bia no e de anum guase kese ebre party no adan na make sa mo ko say mo ko yi executives kakre samwane hwan no ni na we anas papa ne say na friend no. Yeah, I believe that's his name. And this name might be. Oh no. All those guys were there. They chose, look at Koko Anidoho. They chose to bend Koko Anidoho. And who did they choose to use? Esiedun Ketia, Adentia, cause all he profused is propaganda. NDC, enye party ya. Yeah, say, sebe in prediasan. Yeah, beye bibi. Okay? Yeah, beye bibi, edi abo, my no. Debi NDC the say ye pe to me ye person who say ye na so what the mom so a what the to me na mom so a ye ntumi hwe so na ye koyi Sammy Jemfi. I will confess here me na minim Sammy Jemfi, to be honest with you, and some koye sa election no the only communicators of NDC and minim was Ameto Kwame, Fred Agbenyo, could you do asare? Sometimes some papa will refer saying Sam George. Like it was some people and then my name say your communicators. To be honest, I didn't know anything about Sammy Jemfi. But this was why I was happy about the appointment of Sammy Jemfi. I was happy about Sammy Jemfi because me who say, hey, young boy and I yet to me a man of big positions, then this is the time for we the youth. Because or call akoti enim or beye ade any different if you see don't get animal propaganda this way or mother year party no where a new guy matekura so say or sign your lawyer into no or be bring a new fresh air into the whole front row of NDC. Akwa be the first press conference a bomb. The first press conference Sammy Jemfi be he lost his credibility. Yes, we nimu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Wo nimu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Oh, ena na Akufo-Addo. Oni Ghana but one can kire parliament. Akokwa chokrodo because that time no person relevant here yin foforo. Enti onko raise issue. Na party for no say Sammy comrade. Na Sammy uko jina ho etwa antro. Ko jina ho ko twa ntro say Akufo-Addo ankra and wo had na eduru su jina parliament ka kire wo say wo your trofo because papa ne kon ne letter ni e kind the parliament eno anso ho a and wo start say wo di chairman general tem di no ho kokonsa eye kwa misifa kai wo start say wo di na tem na wo start say wo boys ne ko ho no mo kokasa mo mpene ma no kura na mo ko fa sa stupid erikeje no buni ni erikeje jimi ni boy bi no na ni say yi apotroka wono mo ko fa no say anytime bi obeba chairman general wo bia no onye gidigidi on che danye se ni se no yes fe na wo Sammy Jemfi you pivoted your own communicators against chairman general aye kwa misifa kai kodi intro na papa no ko chi one time no say asem a wakoka fa me ho no enye no krenti Sammy ko twesan and now we are hunkokoti chairman general but we cannot use this platform. What bodam, that is his platform. That Kokroko show belongs to Kwame Sefakai. So what he choose to do on that platform is what he choose to do. And yes, idea, you be boycott. na NDC for papa mpanifo a mote ho mo pe mo party ni ya mo pe JM ya munim how big Peace FM is and how far Peace FM travels. Matias ma small boy we say ma communicate bi anko kokroko so na mpa ma anko ankoton mu dreams ma ankoton mu candidate kokroko so the prestigious morning show. I don't care what somebody is doing on their own, but kokroko the misakete you sakete kokroko everybody was listening to that. Moko swaswa baller bets bedi ho na mo de kan mo to say mo to ade left and right center e de chema general ene e pamo mo Sami Jemfi wan fair no n2 ho for as a young boy, as a young guy who one day wants to become somebody in this country, you did not look at your first 2 missteps now why you need to reassess. If you understand this, I will to twegum. To Tomane, yeah, president saying a nepotism and a nepotism. First, look for 54 names nearby. Yeah, the names nearby. I feel the names 54 no, I got 24. I feel 24 no, see a woman cries, yeah, sensor, same pono, so I never bush any cry or then I go school down there, and you nimono. Women crow for my Mahama cool school, I know many chief executives, and I'm a Mamu didi. Tina Ghana Bokano. Or no Nebusia for no, one former question Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Wayo, no way to make you more. Or the almost share baby, your mom driver, mom car, mom fuel, mom be chief executives for. Chief executives for. And I'm a hammer bushing for. Okay, come on, moko share. Intimate member, Gina, Nema may young say, and who name what is happening. Heh? Mamma Chero Bibi. Say, would you say a Buddha if you feel our now? A B. And I got to NDC for it. Sami Jemfi call so ye yam penny for. Me say sometimes I say, Moyana de Biameka. Say, Uwo. Hello, Brian, I come patch on me babe, Frosis here. Say, what to ho? Uwe bruchri. Na say, what to say, Sami Jemfi, eh? Kasa wo radio swa. Hwe me ka me kire say unyo bi a we smart. Obedwo ne say entokwasi Ghana na say na Akufo Addo asai Ghana. Ne kura ye say asai no. Na Akufo Addo a